Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video. In today's video, we're going to talk about whether or not is the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z still worth it in 2021. Stick around and you'll find out. Alright guys, thanks for joining me once again. This is the OnePlus guy, aka Altered Tech, back again with a new video. So this is the, obviously the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. I can never get used to OnePlus's naming scheme. They always have these, unusual names that never really resonate with me. But this headphone, I did have the first generation ones. I actually got that in the OnePlus keynote event for the OnePlus 6T in New York City for free as a gift. I guess this is the final generation. I'm not sure if they're going to continue making these because right now the price went from 50 bucks to about 30 bucks. And if you are looking for some wireless headphones, honestly guys, everyone's going truly wireless, and this is the Samsung Buds. I've been using this one. Now you guys, I wasn't a big fan of the OG OnePlus headphones, the OnePlus Buds. In my opinion guys, the sound, I prefer having the tip in which it actually, seals your ears so you get some better bass. And I guess I'll get that with the OnePlus Buds Z. As for the Bullets, over here, you do have that silicone tip as well. So the bass on this, it's excellent. And based on what I've seen, with these two big batteries inside here, I'm not sure if it's one or two, but just for demonstration purposes, obviously the battery on the truly wireless headphones is going to be much smaller than the one on the OnePlus Buds. Over here, this is going to give you more power to your speakers. Obviously you guys know more power gives you better, more powerful bass. And the bass on this is excellent. If you guys really want to go ahead and, try it out, compare the sound, I would suggest, try some classical music. I was listening to some, piano work, and the keys, the bass, it was just very much more powerful. On the bright side, 30 bucks, you also have a really good volume control. I mean, aside from just, tapping it to control your music and volume, this is just much more easier and responsive. Yeah, so 3 times, replay back the same track, double tap to skip. You can also use it to answer and close calls. Volume rockers work pretty damn good, very nice and clicky. On the box, you do have warp charge, so 10 minutes gives you about 10 hours of playback time. Now, I did use the new charger from the OnePlus 8T. For some reason, it doesn't really play well with this. Now it's working somewhat better, so I have no idea what was going on there. The battery life on this is pretty long, 20 hours of listening time. Magnetic control, which I do like. Pull it apart, activates, put it back together, the song stops. Pretty cool. It's waterproof as well, which I didn't know. So reinforced sweat and water resistance. Okay, I don't think it's really waterproof. Waterproof means if you drop this in a bucket, it's waterproof. I think this is water resistant. Quick switch, double press to switch between 2 recently paired devices. I do enjoy using this. I'll switch from one phone to another, or maybe on my laptop to my phone by double tapping this button right here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And the low latency, like I've said before, excellent when it comes to walking around your house. It really does a good job of transmitting data through the walls and whatnot, in my experience. Maybe you have some reinforced walls in your house with aluminum, I'm not exactly sure, whatever it is. But overall, for 30 bucks, it's a nice pair of headphones. So anyways guys, this is the OnePlus Buds Z. As for how they look on me, honestly guys, it looks cool when I'm working out or running and stuff. But if I were to just go outside, and maybe if you're in an office, you got this on, having these wires on your neck, maybe you have like a business suit on or something like that, it just looks a little bit messy. People nowadays, they rather just have a clean TWS experience, with the iPhone, the AirPods, the wireless ones. Very easy to just go ahead and pack away. It charges up in the case. This one, no case, so you gotta go ahead and you can't cram this into your pocket. You can't cram this into your bag. You might end up damaging the wires. What I do suggest is to I don't know, find a nice place to put this. But anyways guys, it really comes down to preference. Do you prefer comfort or do you prefer sound? Prices of these, they're pretty good. You know, so many different brands out there, from Anchor to OnePlus Buds Z to Samsung's to the Apple AirPods. But anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you out. Please hit that like button and please subscribe for some more videos. This is the OnePlus guy signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace.